In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pumpfun coin with $0. To get started, head over to Pump.fun, which is a platform on Solana designed for launching and trading meme coins quickly and simply. The main reason people are interested in using it is that there's no upfront deployment fee for creating the token itself. In other words, you're not paying a separate cost just to spin up the coin contract on the platform. That said, there is one important detail to understand before you begin. Even though the coin can be created with $0 upfront in terms of platform deployment cost, you still need a small amount of Solana in your wallet to cover network related actions. This is usually a very small amount, often around $1 to $3 worth of SOL, and it's used for things like publishing the coin and attaching its metadata on chain. So when people say you can make a Pumpfun coin for $0, they're usually referring to the fact that Pump.fun itself does not charge a separate launch fee. The small SOL balance is there to handle blockchain transaction costs, which are standard on Solana and not unique to this platform. Once you're on the Pump.fun website, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page and that everything has loaded properly. If you're planning to launch a coin, it's also a good idea to confirm that your wallet is ready and has enough SOL available before moving forward. This helps avoid failed transactions or unnecessary confusion during the creation process. A helpful tip here is to think of the SOL balance as temporary fuel for the network actions, not as a traditional setup cost charged by the platform. That distinction matters, especially if you're trying to understand what $0 really means in this context. The token creation process itself is designed to be accessible, but blockchain activity still requires a tiny amount of gas or network fee support. So the first step is simply visiting pump.fun and understanding the cost structure before you do anything else. That gives you the right expectations from the beginning and makes the rest of the process much smoother. If your goal is to launch a meme coin as cheaply as possible, this platform is popular because it removes the usual barrier of a direct deployment fee while still keeping the process simple for beginners. Once you've reached the site and understand the small SOL requirement, you're in the right place to begin creating your Pumpfun coin.